Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable game mode on Windows 11. Windows 11 comes with many features, and one of those is game mode, which remains turned on by default. This game mode automatically optimizes your system for gaming when your Windows detects a game in progress. Usually, you don't need to turn it off, but you can disable it if you notice performance issues. Here is how to enable or disable the gaming mode on Windows 11 computers. What is game mode on Windows 11? The game mode feature was first introduced on Windows 10 Creators Update in 2017. The game mode on Windows 11 is a special mode to prioritize game processes as and when they run. When this mode is enabled and you play a game, Windows will prioritize resources for game performance. This mode temporarily prevents Windows Update from installing drivers or asking to restart your PC. How to turn on or off game mode in Windows 11? When you notice performance issues, or due to some reason, you want to enable or disable the game mode, first, open the Settings app by pressing Windows +I keys from the keyboard. Then, select the gaming category from the left sidebar when the Settings window opens. Next, click the game mode on the right side pane. Here, turn off or on the toggle switch game mode to disable or enable this feature. That's it. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel, Garup Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.